Hello, everyone. I'm Ani Safarian, Associate Marriage and Family Therapist here at Embracing You Therapy. This video is going to address the mental load of motherhood and its impact on health and well-being. I will also provide tips on how to tackle some of these issues. So what is a mental load? It's the mental list of the daily tasks, chores, shopping lists, events that need to be completed or thought through and planned for in order to care for the people in your home. For some, having to mentally keep track of all of these current and future tasks, it becomes unmanageable or feeling overwhelmed. This can build resentment in relationships. It can also contribute to experiencing symptoms of depression and anxiety. As you may know, when we're stressed, our immune system also suffers. Chronic stress can result in illness and disease progression. Additionally, a heavy mental load can impact symptoms of existing conditions like depressive and anxiety disorders, ADHD, OCD, autoimmune disorders, and so on. So what is holding us back from addressing the problem with our mental load? There are a few key ones. Firstly, some women feel it is their responsibility to do it all. For whatever reason, whether that's messages from society, their own upbringing, cultural expectations, there is a belief system in place that says, I am responsible for the running of this household and caring for the people in it. Next, as women are the primary caregivers in the home the majority of the time, they may also be setting higher expectations of themselves versus their partners. However, this prevents some women from working towards a more equitable distribution of household and childcare duties. It may also hold these women back from the understanding that we all need help sometimes. What we see so often is that some women have difficulty asking for and receiving help. For a variety of reasons, some women feel uncomfortable asking for what they need. This can create problems in our relationships when we resort to behaviors like passive aggressiveness and lashing out in moments when we're at a breaking point, only to have our partners say something like, I would have just done it if you had asked. While hearing this response is frustrating, we can recognize that asking for help is a task in and of itself. We have to ask for help. We know that delegating it may be difficult to some women who maybe feel that their partners should already know what to do or maybe aren't going to do the task as well as the woman can or they can, but it's crucial to ask for what we need in the moment. Additionally, we need to revisit our coping skills. Reducing your load and taking time to rest by releasing stress in healthy ways and prioritizing yourself are crucial to improving your mental health and feelings of well-being. So what else can women do to improve their mental load? We have to speak up. We have to communicate our needs to our partners, family, friends. We have to delegate. Setting healthier boundaries is also important. So often, women feel immense guilt when saying no for fear of letting themselves or others down. But we would invite you to consider that saying no to one thing allows you to say yes to another. So for example, saying no to cooking every night allows you to say yes to more quality time spent with your family and more time to rest in the evenings rather than washing up the dishes. Remember, it's crucial to consistently make time for yourself. If you are spending all of your time and energy checking off the items on your mental list, you're going to run on fumes very quickly. Do not feel guilty for carving out time for yourself in the day to replenish and recharge your batteries. Work with your partner, family, friends to create better routines in your home and outside of it. Place these items in a family calendar. Get the kids involved in age-appropriate tasks and chores, and use a reward system to incentivize them. Lastly, practice self-compassion. We're all doing our best. We all need help. But when we overload ourselves, we can drop the ball at times, and that's okay. So talk to yourself kindly about the expectations that you're setting for yourself and of others, and explore where these expectations are coming from. Of course, we can explore these issues together in therapy to untangle belief systems that are keeping you running on this endless loop. I hope you found this video helpful. Please contact our office for a free consultation with one of our therapists here at Embracing You Therapy. Thank you, and have a good day.